how to get and use AliExpress promo code. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get and use AliExpress coupon code or promo code. Now what you can do is you can head into your browser, and if you head into your browser and if you just type in AliExpress coupon code, as I've seen here, AliExpress coupon, as you can see I've typed in, it'll give you various links available here. Now you can select any links that you want, and under it you'll be able to get the code here. You can see $33 off and such. You can simply open this, or you can scroll down further below, and here you can see Los Angeles time. I'll just tap on it and you can see here is view coupon option. You can simply tap on it and here it should show you the coupon, and I'll just copy this. You can simply copy this by tapping on copy and you'll be able to get the promo code. Now to use it, you can simply open up your AliExpress, and then you want to search in for the product that you want to buy. I'll just search in for the furniture here, and once you tap on furniture here, it's also various options. Now you can simply tap on it and you can open it up, and once you open it up, you want to simply tap on buy now option at the bottom right corner of your screen, and you want to proceed it to buying it. And once you tap on it here on the order confirmation here, if you scroll down under summary, you'll find total item cost, and under it you can see promo code option. Simply tap on promo code and you want to paste the promo code that you just copied, and simply tap on apply and it should be applied. So this way you can easily get and use AliExpress promo code. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.